I work in global corporate real estate, known as CRE. In CRE, we're responsible for 4 of the reduce goals. One of those is green buildings. One of those is to reduce our waste, but also recycle 100% of it. Another is to reduce our energy. And the 4th is to ensure that we meet the target of minimum 25% new renewable energy across the group.
So we want to meet that goal by 2020, and that 25% will come from a number of projects across HSBC's operations around the world. The UK is responsible for a large proportion of HSBC's overall electricity consumption, so we need to get it right here in the UK as well as other markets. Jack's Lane is really important to our overall goal. It involved us looking at a different way of both buying our energy and setting up a contract with our energy supplier through a means that's called a power purchase agreement. These are relatively simple mechanisms, but new in many markets, including the UK. So by signing a PPA, we're guaranteeing the wind farm developer a long-term revenue stream by saying that we will buy their renewable energy for a period of 10 or 12 years. By doing that, the developer is able then to go to the market and raise the finance to build their wind farm, in this case in the UK.
So the reason that we are going down the PPA route rather than purchasing green energy is because we're actually bringing new energy onto the marketplace as opposed to a utility company already financing and producing green energy themselves. This is where we are making a difference, and this is what's important to us. Jack's Lane is the first renewable site in the UK for HSBC. We've got another one coming online in January, and together the 2 of them will provide 40% of power for the UK, which is excellent achievement as far as we're concerned.
I think in the UK over the next 5 to 10 years we're going to see more and more corporate PPAs entered into, and HSBC's will be one of the first and the template that a lot of other companies look to in order to put in place power purchase agreements for themselves.
So I think it's important that HSBC shows a leadership position in this space. We're a large organisation with 250,000 employees and 50 million customers. We have a great ability to influence what people are going to do in the future. If we can do that by having a strong sustainability agenda, and the renewable goals is absolutely part of that agenda, then we can be part of a shift towards a more sustainable society.
It's not just about money, it's about doing the right thing for our future.